Hey guys, I'm Todd Smidt. I'm an ambassador for the WiGo Trips travel platform. It's a trip sharing platform that allows people to post trips, go on trips, meet random people that just all you have in common is you love to travel. You both want to go to a certain place and have really cool experiences. This past weekend we had ambassador orientation in Kansas City, where I'm based. Really cool city. If you ever get a chance, you should check it out. Super underrated. It was cool to see everyone from the different parts of the world, different parts of the country come to Kansas City and had no idea what to expect. No one really knew each other. No one knew anything about anything really. And it was really amazing to get to see people who had no prior experience with each other come together and become a family in 3 days. And that, I think, is the beauty of the WiGo Trips app in general and the entire concept, is that all you have to do is have one thing in common with someone, and that can be a love of travel, that can be a love of exploring a city, another country, whatever it is, that's enough to bond people together. Going in, I had no idea what to expect. When I got asked to be an ambassador, it was something I was excited for, but I didn't really know how big this thing could potentially be. But after this past weekend, I gotta say, 2 feet in, on board all the way, I'm really excited for what the future holds. I think that this platform is going to allow people who never otherwise would have met to come together and basically become family. And at the end of the day, traveling is all about experiences and the people you meet along the way.